Hi, today we're going to discover hidden gems in the Nashville area. We're going to talk about those one-level homes that you can get that have low maintenance. They're going to be great for conveniences, but still have all the amenities that you will want if you're looking to downsize. We're going to start today with Hermitage and Park Haven. We have visited Park Haven before in the past, and if you check out one of my videos where we talked about Park Haven, you'll see that community in full. So be sure to go back and check that out. So Park Haven is a 55+ gated community in the Nashville area. It is a brand new community, hasn't been there very long, has all of the amenities of a 55+ community with pickleball and heated pools and fitness centers, all of those different things. We are at Carruthers Farms. This is a great community for those that want to downsize, and we're going to tour this beautiful home that's a one-story home for you to consider. They also, in Carruthers Farms, have the duplexes. So if you're wanting something that's attached, this is also a great community for those as well. If you're wanting a really low maintenance, then we also will check some of those out. And then also it has an amazing dog park. We're also going to take a tour of that dog park in Carruthers Farms as well. So stay tuned and with us, and we'll dive into that a little bit deeper. Also, I want to talk to you today about some other gems. There's St. Martin Square. It's a gated condo community close to restaurants and medical facilities. There's also Del Webb communities that you can check out throughout the greater Nashville area. There's a place in Smyrna, Tennessee called Dogwood Villa, and also Epcon communities, the courtyards at Stewart's Creek. In Goodlettsville, there are cottages called the 12 Stones cottages. They're single level, low maintenance living, and all ages can live there. There's also in Hermitage the villages of Riverwood that you can check out. It has pools, greenway spaces. They're ranch style homes, some of those are. It's handy, close to the airport, close to the lakes. You can have a lot of great weekend fun there. HOAs cover a lot of things in all of these communities that I have named. If you want a curated short list, single level only, with or without lawn care included, send me your must-have budgets. Preferred areas, your garage needs, your distance to medical facilities. I'll put together a list for you, whether it's in Brentwood, Lebanon, Nolensville, Goodlettsville. I'll be happy to get a list together for you for that. If you want that quick list of any of the communities that can provide you with that low maintenance lifestyle, be sure to drop me a line. I'd be happy to help you with that. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and feel free to give me a call at any time. Thank you for watching this. I hope you found it helpful. See you next time.